How to make Windows 11 faster. So if you want to make your Windows 11 faster, then first you need to open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, now you need to go with the system option. Under system, you need to go with storage. Now under storage, you need to go with cleanup recommendations. And you just need to simply go with the temporary files. Under your temporary files, except the downloads, you can go with temporary Windows installation files and recycle bin and go with cleanup and continue. Once you're done the cleanup, now you can scroll down again and you will have large or unused files. You can simply select the files one by one that you're not using, and then you can clean up the files. This might fix your problem. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply adjust your privacy setting. So what you need to do is just go with privacy and security. Under privacy and security, click on general. Now under general, you can disable all of the options which are right here. Once you disable, then you need to go back to the privacy and go with speech. Under speech, make sure the speech is turned off, and inking and typing personalization, make sure this is also turned off. Go with all of the other options that are right here, that you have right here. Till searching Windows, make sure all of the options are turned off. Once you turn off all of these, then your problem might be fixed. And the next thing you need to do is go with the apps section and go with installed apps. Under installed apps, you will have all of the apps that you have installed. So you just need to simply go with the app that you're not using right now or that you don't want now, and go with the right side, which has that three dots, and then go with uninstall. Once you uninstall, then it will free up some space on your computer and your computer will run smoothly. And the other thing you can do is, again, you can just go with your settings and you need to go with gaming section. Now, if you don't play games on your Windows 11, then you can disable the Xbox game bar. So just go with the game bar, and under your game bar, you just need to simply go and turn it off. Once you turn it off, then it will speed up your computer. But if you play games, then make sure that it is turned on to efficiently play games on your computer. Other thing is you can just search for services, open up your services. Now you need to find downloaded Maps Manager. Double click on it, it will take you to the properties. Now under this, you just need to simply make sure that the startup type is automatic, or just simply go with disable. Once you disable, go with apply and OK. Once you disable this one, now you just need to simply scroll down and you will need to find the other one, which is fax. And you need to right click on it and you can disable this one also. Go with properties and then go with startup type and go with disable, apply and OK. And the other service is IP helper. So you just need to simply search for IP helper and make sure that this is also disabled. Go with disable and click on apply and OK. And the next service is Print Spooler. You need to disable this one also. Once you're done with all of these, just restart your device and it will make your Windows 11 faster. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.